Hello students, welcome to the topic Fillet Weld outside corner joints on mild steel plate 10 mm vertical position upward by deep transfer 3F. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to mark the profile of the job in workpiece, cut the workpiece, file the job for welding, weld the corner joint in vertical position, inspect the corner joint.
This topic involves the use of several tools and equipment. Here are the main tools commonly used. Steel rule, lighter, wire brush, hand grinder, bastard file, second cut file, tri-square, leather apron, leather hand gloves, leg guard, safety shoes, welding helmet, safety goggles, chipping hammer, welding screen, MIG welding set, CO2 gas cylinder, filler wire feeder, MIG welding torch. Process: wear protective clothings. Cut the sheet as per drawing. Grind and file the edges of sheets to square. Deburr and clean the surface of the plates by carbon steel wire brush and filling. Set the plate in the form of corner joint as per drawing. Connect the torch to the positive terminal of the machine. Set the current 90 to 100 amps by corresponding wire feeding rate, 19 to 20 arc voltage, and use dip transfer mode. Tack weld minimum 10 mm length on both ends of the corner joint. Keep the tack welded jib in vertical position on a weld positioner. Weld the corner joint by using 0.8 mm diameter mild steel filler wire and using stringer bead welding technique. Strike an R and move the torch steady straight from the top of the joint downwards. Clean the second run with wire brush. Ensure good leg length and even fusion of plates. Avoid undercut. Ensure the edges of the plate is not melted off due to excessive weaving. Ensure there is no undercut at the other toe of the lap weld on plate. Clean the bead by wire brush. After checking there is no defects like overlap, undercut, penetration, distortion, and it is a good bead profile.
The topic involves marking the profile of the job in workpiece, cut the workpiece, file the job for welding, weld the corner joint in vertical position, inspect the corner joints. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.